My name is Michael Balaz. I work in the Charlottesville office as the Chief Engineer for Charlottesville Operations. So knowledge management's been kind of key to our project. Over the course of the project, we've interacted with 10 Mitre departments spread over 5 different sites and 6 different academic institutions. In total, we've had about 60 people contributing to the project. With that number of people, it became very difficult for just one person to be coordinating all the information. We had to figure out ways of sharing all of that information between the different parties, including the fact that some of that information was sensitive. One of the tools we use, for example, is called OwnCloud. Most people are familiar with the idea of Dropbox, which is a commercial tool that people can use, but it's one of those things that's not allowed on the Mitre network for good security reasons. But luckily, we've been able to institute a program called OwnCloud, which runs on a local network within Mitre, and we can do all of the things that Dropbox allows us to do. And so we have different segments of a project, and we can share out to the appropriate people that information. One of my favorite things about this project is probably the sheer number of people we get to interact with. So, we mentioned 60 people. Of those 60 people, probably 60 to 70% of them are actually students, whether they're interns or kids doing their senior design projects or master's students or whatever. And it's the ability to interact with all of those students and sort of be mentors and actually have them contribute to a project that is really changing the way the government does business. We were told that we'd been nominated kind of back in October, but because of all the reorgs and everything, it took a while for the awards to actually come out, and we had actually forgotten about it. And then to get this call to say that you won an award, and not only did you win an award, but you actually got one of the President's Awards, was just shocking. I would not be uncomfortable to say we may have been jumping up and down with excitement. So.